In a world where your phone can tell you how to navigate a traffic jam or your vacuum cleaner can finally realize its full potential by cleaning your entire house without supervision, take that, Roomba. It's no surprise that AI automation is transforming the way we work. If you're not tapping into the endless possibilities of AI, you might just be missing out on something that could be a total game changer. No need to worry though. I'm here to walk you through the magic of AI automation for beginners and, best of all, introduce you to some free tools that will make you feel like a tech genius. AI automation. What's all the hype about? Let's start by cutting through the tech jargon and breaking it down. AI automation, simply put, is like hiring an invisible assistant with a brain the size of the internet, minus the salary. It's a way of getting machines to do the repetitive, time-consuming, or complex tasks that would normally require human input. Think about it. No more data entry marathons or toggling between tabs until your eyes glaze over. AI is designed to learn from patterns, make decisions, and improve processes. It can handle anything from automating customer service responses to analyzing financial trends or even helping you make music. Yes, AI can rock. The best part? Some AI tools are completely free, meaning you don't have to rob a bank to get started. And trust me, once you dive in, you'll wonder why you ever did things the hard way. Getting started with free AI tools. So, you're sold on the idea of letting AI take the wheel for some of your tasks. But where do you start? Lucky for you, there are tons of free AI tools out there just waiting to make your life easier. These tools don't require you to be a programmer or have a PhD in robotics. They're designed to be beginner-friendly, so no worries about getting overwhelmed. Let's jump into a few of my favorite free AI tools, and I promise, these are way more fun than they sound. 1. Zapier, automation tool for everything. If you've ever wished you had an assistant to help you send emails, manage your social media accounts, or sort through spreadsheets, Zapier is your new best friend. This tool lets you connect all your apps together and automates tasks between them. For instance, you can set it up to automatically save email attachments to Google Drive or post your latest blog article to all your social media accounts at once. It's like a personal assistant, except it won't eat all your snacks or accidentally book you a 6 a.m. meeting. And the best part? You can get started with a free plan that offers plenty of features for beginners. Pro tip: once you get familiar with the tool, you can set up what's known as multi-step zaps to chain a series of automated actions together, making you feel like an automation wizard. Ever sent an important email only to realize after hitting send that you confused there with there? Enter Grammarly. This AI-powered tool not only checks your spelling and grammar, but it also offers suggestions on tone, style, and clarity. Whether you're writing an email, a blog post, or even that novel you've been meaning to start, Grammarly has your back. The free version covers basic grammar and spelling, while the premium version delves into advanced features like style improvement and plagiarism checks. But trust me, the free version is a huge upgrade to your writing game, no matter your skill level. Pro tip: use Grammarly's browser extension for on-the-go assistance. It works everywhere you write online, from emails to social media posts. Ready to channel your inner DJ? With Amper Music, you can generate music for free, no musical experience required. Whether you need background tracks for a YouTube video, a podcast, or just want to play around with creating a melody, Amper uses AI to help you build professional quality soundtracks in minutes. Think of it like having your own personal Hans Zimmer, minus the stress of deadlines. You select the genre, instruments, mood, and length, and Amper takes care of the rest. It's fun, easy, and did I mention free? Pro tip: if you're looking to dabble in AI music for commercial projects, check out the licensing options before hitting publish. But for personal and creative use, the free version is golden. Struggling to write a product description, social media post, or even an entire blog post? Copy.ai is a lifesaver. It's an AI-powered tool that can generate everything from ad copy to email subject lines in seconds. You simply give it a prompt, and the AI goes to work, producing polished content you can tweak to your liking. This tool is perfect for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and content creators who want to save time and avoid the dreaded writer's block. Even the free version offers a generous range of features, making it a must-have in your toolkit. Pro tip, use Copy.ai to generate a few content variations and mix and match the best parts. The AI will give you different perspectives, and sometimes the results will surprise you with their creativity. If you've ever felt like you're juggling 17 tasks at once and are this close to dropping all the balls, Trello can help you regain your balance. Trello is a project management tool that organizes your tasks into visual boards. But here's the AI twist. It offers automation with Butler, Trello's AI-powered assistant, which can handle repetitive tasks for you, like moving cards, sending reminders, or creating checklists. You'll look like the most organized person in the room, and with Trello's free plan, you'll have all the basics to keep your projects flowing smoothly. Pro tip, set up automations to declutter your workspace. Butler can archive old tasks, assign due dates, and even remind you when you're close to a deadline. Now that you're equipped with some powerful tools, let's talk strategy. While AI can be a huge time saver, you need to approach it with the right mindset and a few savvy tricks to get the most out of it. First, start small. It's tempting to go all in and automate everything from your morning coffee to your bedtime routine. Though, let's be honest, that sounds amazing. But when you're starting out, focus on 1 or 2 tools at a time. Learn how to use them effectively, experiment with different settings, and slowly incorporate more AI tools into your routine. It's like going to the gym. You wouldn't try to bench press 300 pounds on your first day, right? Baby steps, my friend. Here's another tip. Don't be afraid to fail. The thing about AI is that it's designed to learn and improve, and so are you. It's normal to have a few hiccups when you're first getting started. Maybe an automation rule doesn't fire off the way you expected, or a tool produces content that's slightly off mark. The key is to keep tweaking and refining. Embrace the process, and you'll soon see the magic unfold. And remember, ask for help. Yes, AI is your assistant, but sometimes even the best assistants need a little help. Don't hesitate to dive into online tutorials, forums, and YouTube channels. There are huge communities around each of the tools I've mentioned, and chances are, someone's already solved the exact problem you're encountering. Lastly, mix and match tools. One of the best things about AI automation is that the tools often work beautifully together. Imagine combining the forces of Zapier, Copy.ai, and Trello. Copy.ai helps you write an email, Trello organizes your project, and Zapier automates the process of sending the email and updating your board. It's like assembling the Avengers of productivity, except with fewer capes and more efficiency. AI automation isn't just for tech giants or billion-dollar corporations anymore. It's available to anyone, including you. The tools we've covered are all free or have free tiers that allow you to explore their power without spending a dime. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, student, or someone just curious about the future of work, now's the time to dive into AI automation. Not only will you save time and effort, but you'll also gain the upper hand in a world where efficiency is everything. And who knows? You might even discover that AI is more than just a handy assistant. It could be the key to unlocking your creative potential, helping you stay organized, and maybe, just maybe, freeing up enough time for that hobby you've been putting off. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and start automating. Your future self will thank you. In the world of AI automation, beginners are just one step away from discovering a wealth of tools and resources that make life easier, more productive, and a whole lot more fun. From writing assistants and music creation to seamless project management, these AI tools are designed to transform the way you work without overwhelming you. And here's the kicker. Most of them are absolutely free. You don't need to be a millionaire or a tech genius to get in on the action. So go ahead. Explore, experiment, and watch as AI helps you unlock your full potential. Happy automating!